We've been waiting so long for this day to come, and now we are finally cruising. Let's go on a Royal Caribbean cruise with my foodie friends. Let me show you what we ate, where we went, and our experience with Royal Caribbean. First stop is Singapore. Let's go. Hey Favours, we're here at the airport. So I'm with everybody. We're waiting for our flight. So we're flying Singapore Airlines to Singapore. And then my cruise kami, and we'll take you with us.
Over your head. Pass the straps around your waist, pulling the red tabs or blowing into the mouthpiece. Life vests have a whistle
Kita yung ano ko, Chris Flyer.
and a light to attract attention. Special life vests
Foodie.
are available for children. Inflate your
We have our in-flight meal. So ang choices are creamy chicken or hot porridge ba?
Actually, pork sa... Bakit posibleng bawal? Sila maglalagay kung bawal pala.
Creamy chicken ba talaga? Kasi hindi siya creamy.
Oo nga, no? Baka sa loob.
Baka nga. Yan. A yogurt, fruit. Ako nag-orange juice ako. Chirel, what did you get?
I got the porridge.
Ay, ano yung tsura ng porridge?
Hindi pa nga niya ino-open eh. Kami
Ano naman,
chicken.
oh?
Ikaw chicken ka rin, right?
Yeah, chicken also. I was scared of the porridge.
Hey, porridge reveal. I know. Not for me.
Pinaksa na ba niya?
Oo.
Parang aros ka.
Creamy chicken. Ewan ko talaga kung creamy ba talaga or mali lang rinig namin. Hindi siya creamy. Ba't parang potato to? Swear, parang hindi siya chicken.
Ano? Parang croquette.
Maharap yung omelette. Pero wala talagang chicken. Meron pa. We're almost in Singapore. Pero of course, we have to have some cocktail. Ang pasimuno po ng cocktail na yan. Ayan po. Ayan si Jorel. And another alcoholic on board. Ayan sila. RC. So we're having Singapore Sling. Wala na daw kasing wine. Like, sarado na daw. Ang tapang, Jarel. Oh my God.
Tapang.
We're finally here at Changi. So we're going to the waterfall thingy. But, mag-withdraw muna kami ng money. So, si Jarel yung alay. So, sa Maybank siya. So, because walo kami, we're trying to book. Okay lang. 13-seat coach. Ewan lang namin kung effective. Pero we're here sa Crown Plaza kasi dito yung pick up. Ayan. Tignan natin. Ay, nakabook kami. So, yung cost nung 13-seater, 88 siya for 2 stops.
28 times 45.
How much yun?
So, this is our ride to the hotel. Funny. Ay, sorry, Eid. Ayan. Ako din. Sobrang daming room for our luggage. Sobrang amazing. Kasya lahat. Ayan, napapasok na kami. Here's Fat Amy. Charot. Nanira pa.
Ini, nakakainis.
Ako si Aubrey.
Hindi, wala. Mahihirapan tayo. It's okay. CRC.
Okay. Ay, dapat pa doon ako sa harap para may character. Ayan. Ay, si Anna Kendrick naman wala sa harap. So, ako si Anna. Here's everyone in our big van. Hello!
Artista ba?
Diba? Ang fun. So yun, $88. So we're finally here sa Q Boutique Hotel at Chinatown. Ito siya. Sadly, ayan yung stairs na kailangan namin tahakin. Parang yung Baguio stairs lang na papunta sa grotto. We're finally inside the hotel. Apparently, there are 2 hotels. So yung lumipat kami dito sa Toong, sa tamang hotel. Sadly, walang elevator pala talaga. Going to the lobby, going to the room. So yun, ang lalaki pa ng mga luggage namin. So, Okay. Lesson learned. We're finally here at the Hawker Center. I met with my tita Tina. So she brought me here dito sa may Harbor Point. Yung first na dish na in-order namin is parang boneless duck with rice. Tapos si tita Tina daw o-order ng drink. So I'll let you meet her later. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano. Ay, may pad thai. Alright, so first meal in Singapore. So tita Tina got me the duck. As you know, I love duck. So when she asked kung kumakain ba ako ng duck, the answer is always yes. Okay naman, hindi siya malansa at all.
July 21 days.
Yung soup medyo odd.
21 days. Bukan kerja datang lah. Tinggal datang.
Parang,
Off je lah.
parang may star anise. Parang pares siya, pero soup.
Faham tak?
Na, as in sabaw lang siya.
September,
And then I have sugarcane
October,
juice.
31. November, 30. Ini bulan di stok
Ang
dia.
sarap. It's so much better than what I had in Bacolod. No offense. Pero masarap siya. Hey! Ayan si Tita Tina. So, Tita Tina, ito, mi rebus.
Yes, may rebus.
Tapos ito,
Bihon goreng.
bihon. Ah, talaga? Bihon talaga yung name. Bihon goreng. Ito, Indian food siya.
Yeah, sa Indian siya.
Tidak semua dah lah.
Okay, tapos naghihintay pa kami ng sate. Rebus.
Kita itu di hutang.
Parang spaghetti yung itsura. Ah, parang yung sa laksa na noodles yung itsura niya.
Pwede rin siya.
Ang ingat.
Google first. Today I'll cancel on it. I'll view the go there, go back. Then see where you come and holiday.
Medyo parang lasa siyang kare-kare. Na pasta, parang ganon. Parang may peanut. Ganon.
1 month lah.
Bihon goreng. Kakaiba yung itsura niya.
Pas mati ni. Kita pegang pas.
Yung ganyang bihon.
Then
Di ba matigas, saka dark brown.
with the exit can walk.
Tapos may parang mga dilis siya.
Yeah,
Go to
that's
Malaysia, then you come back
ikan
again quickly. Okay.
And fairness, masarap siya. Hindi naman siya... Akala ko parang sobrang ma-spice.
Coming back
Okay lang pala.
So I only can pay the government 450.
Humiwalay muna ako sa mga TikTok friends ko. Mamaya makakasama ko naman siguro sila.
Please come and see 1 month.
So yun, bonding muna kami ni Tita Tina. Ito yung sate. Oh my God.
Stay 1 month already. Back. After you are there, sure.
Parang Mang Frederick.
Talaga, ha?
We're here at Yakon Kaya Dos.
May cheat.
Kumain na silang lahat. Okay.
Sorry.
So I have 2 eggs. Medyo overwhelming pala to. After ko kumain ng madami.
Friend, yung paala. Mas mahal yan sa akin na
Ah, what's this? So lalagyan ko siya ng soy sauce. Gano'ng kadami?
Ayan,
Okay. And then pepper.
pero mahal ako.
Sobrang, yung ano ko is malaki.
Okay lang friend, mas matanggal sa mga.
Okay. Kaninong recommendation to?
Wala naman. Sa'yo.
Ah, okay.
Sabi ko lang naman, in-express ko lang naman yung, ay, may naman.
So, if hindi masarap, si Ina naman yung responsible.
Pero as in talaga, you have to dip it to the...
Ba't parang ang konti ng butter ko? May butter ba yun sa akin?
Anong set yung in-order?
Eh.
You look like you watch your health though.
Finally here. It's my first time to see these. So, magka-cloud forest daw kami. It's also my first time. So, let's go! Nag-grab lang kami papunta here. Pero pwede naman mag-train. Kaya lang, ayun, madami naman kami mag-share-share.
Yes, and grab
Ang
premium.
grab namin is, magkano?
I don't know. I'm so sorry.
$12.
$12.
Tapos divided by 4 na siya. So, not bad. We got tickets for Cloud Forest. It's $24 pag Cloud Forest lang. And wala naman kami ibang gustong puntahan. So, yun. Cloud Forest. Medyo, medyo mahirap siya i-appreciate kasi madaming tao. Pero, tapos, it's really malamig inside. Pero, ayun, mababasa-basa. Fun naman. man. Ayan si Joe. Love it.
Kaya confident ako, hindi hagdan. Alam ko talaga puro incline.
Ganda ng lighting here. Love it. Okay. I love it. Okay, pwede ako sa pad thai.
Pagpapidyo ko.
Woo!
Ay! isa pa ganun.
Abangan natin na may
To your left.
Ang dami naman bata.
I'll go.
Arte naman.
Oo. Pak! Ay!
Finally here at Clark Quay. Ayan, so we're in Clark Quay. We're eating at Jumbo Riverside. So, ayan, mag-Riverside. Ay, magka-crabs yata kami or something. So, from the hotel, mga 13-minute walk daw, sabi ni Joe. So, it's not so far. So, ayan. Dito yung entrance niya. Today's special, $68. Ayan. So, may walk-in, may reservation. But, so apparently, may pa-second floor pala siya. So, sana mas giving yung table here. In fairness, it's a vibe. Akala ko parang paluto lang siya or whatever.
Akala mo dampal.
Uy, I didn't say dampa lang. Ikaw yun. And this is awarded Best Chili Crab in Singapore. Actually, I was just joking. Pero sa dessert, sabi ko gusto ko ng mango sago. Pa, there's mango sago. So, $6. Meron ding chilled mango sago pomelo. So, I'll have that. Okay, we got chili crab. Tapos, cereal prawn. Saka, yan. Fried rice. And this is the chili crab. It looks so good.
She won in life.
Said yan, friend. From naman to siya.
Try natin yung rice with the crab sauce. Having breakfast here at Mercy Marcel. So, I got the French toast, brioche yung bread. Tapos, tignan niyo yung mga latte art. I thought mine was an ovary, pero apparently, seahorse. Ayan, si Jarrell, he got a bunny. This is everyone. Hi! Hi, everyone! Si Coach Food hindi siya kakain kasi magkakayato siya.
I'm so sorry.
We're finally here. Ay, hindi ko nag-record.
May space pa dito. Let's, ano lang. Oo. Oo.
Dito yata tayo order, girl.
Ah, talaga.
We're finally here at Queensway Plaza sa, what's this place? The original
Janggut.
Katong Laksa, Janggut Laksa. So, this is the menu. Let me show you. So, for me, I'll have chicken cutlet rice with curry sauce. Tapos, yung drink ko is Milo Dinosaur. Hi, everyone! Ayan.
Hey, everyone!
May dadating pa palang laksa. Order.
Oh, the laksa is here. Ang arte. Okay, so we got curry. Nainggit kasi sila sa akin. So, nilunod sila ng curry. Charot. So, mine is a chicken cutlet curry. Tapos, ito yung hindi cutlet curry. Thank you. This is the laksa. It looks good. Ayan. So, sa akin yung chicken cutlet curry. Ako lang yung unique. I am the only one who has a unique order. Everyone else is basic.
Ako ba ba ano order kong drink?
Sarap.
Yung ano,
Milo?
friend, yung ating drink very concentrated. Wait.
Super. Picture naman lang kami.
Matapang siya.
Sobrang nakaka-happy siya.
Friend. Jerry, sumama ka?
So, medyo spicy.
Ay, sorry,
hindi sa
Jerry,
curry.
Jerry.
Tapos, hindi mo na kailangan magtanggal ng chicken sa bones. Yun. Pero wala akong mga potato something.
Ito na. Friends.
Hi!
Ay, si Ina.
Ay, ano ba? Oh, sige.
Ay, cute yan. Mag-picture kayo naman namin muna sa Korea.
Okay.
Yan.
Say curry.
San.
Okay.
Nga ako. Korea.
Ayun. So, after ng picture, kain na tayo.
Curry la.
Medyo may kick siya. It's good.
Ay, nagustuhan mo, girl?
Yes, it's good. It's good.
Hinanap ko na yung shoot.
Ito na lang. Lalak siya.
May dinosaur natin.
So, huwag ka pag-alala.
Siguro ang only regret ko lang, hindi large in order ko. Sarap.
Ah, masarap siya, girl.
Di ba?
Sorry.
Oh, siyang sarap.
Lalak siya also masarap.
I had to order Milo Dinosaur kasi parang it's
No,
very
Milo Dinosaur.
Singapore.
Tama lang kayo na mauna ko. Yun sa ako mauna.
Kanino to?
Ours.
Ito bang drink for age?
So
Wala
good.
kang order.
Oo, meron.
Sobrang perfect nung Milo Dinosaur with the curry kasi may konting kick.
Ah, meron pa siguro.
So
May
yung
kwenta
parang sweetness and milkiness ng Milo.
Thank you.
Love it.
Masarap ng laksa.
Okay, so ay masarap, friend.
Wow.
Ah,
Try ko yung
Ano dito?
laksa.
red curry. Ang rich.
Pero yung curry niya, hindi siya yung parang typical brown curry.
Mm.
Parang mas mukha pa siyang laksa.
Pero I remember Filipino curry. Here.
Sarap.
Kasi makukunat.
Can you believe, ako yung unang natapos. Masarap. Ay, or si Coach Foodie, hindi, meron pa siya. So yun, it's really good. I give this 5 crazy coins.
Agree.
We're finally here at the Satay Street. So umorder kami dito sa stall 7 and 8. We got a set. So yung set na in-order namin is $70. So that's like 25 sticks, I think. 25 sticks of chicken, 25 sticks of beef, and I think 15 sticks of prawn. Good for, ano daw yun, 4 to 5. Pero we're 7. Pero kasi gusto pa nilang umorder. Pagpasok nyo, medyo overwhelming siya. Kasi ang daming parang mga gustong ayun, gusto nilang Tapos, as very local thing, nag-reserve ako ng table. So, lalagyan ko ng tissue yung table. Fun!
Do not believe her.
La! So, yun. La kasi, girl. I reserved the table. La.
Table la.
Yun, so we're just waiting. Binigyan ako ng buzzer. Let me show you.
May line, girl.
Here, girl. Pahawak naman ng receipt. So, that's $70. May line, pero ano siya, bearable. Kasi yan, hintayin ko lang daw, tut-tut-tut, siya yung nagsabi nun.
I hope ours ka.
Yeah.
Nakabili na si Ars.
Ano nga ulit to?
Chong fun.
Chong fan.
Na shrimp. So, ilagay mo siya dun sa, kasi very slippery.
Ooh.
Sarap. Order ka mo.
Mainit.
Hindi naman.
Okay.
If mainit, it's a prank.
Yeah. Guy.
Ganda
Guy.
ng texture.
Hey, Jarel, what's this? Ano?
I-announce mo yung mga order ng mga tao.
Noodles! Thank you!
Wow, wow.
Wali.
Hindi ba to?
Ano ba yan?
Rice.
Hindi ba siya bread? Ay, ano ba yan? We got our satay na. Let's try. Medyo chewy
Love, you
siya.
wanna try?
Pero stall 70.
I like this better. Kasi mas tender siya.
Yun ulit yung chok.
Okay, this is the prawn. Ay! Ang harap nga ng prawn. As for drink, I got a mango peach.
Sabi niya beefy, akala ko nga mutton eh. Pero
Feeling
usually
ko,
mutton mas may...
artificial, pero let's try.
Nakakita makainin to.
Artificial.
Kami mo.
We're having dessert. Ayan po si Lovey Life. Ano yun sa'yo, girl?
Chendol with mango.
Okay. Sa kanila, plain chendol. Right? How is it?
It was good.
Ikaw, Jo? Hindi mo pa
Hindi
kinakain.
ko si RC. Baka
Oh,
film
how
niya eh.
sweet.
Diba?
That's mine. I got chendol with durian. Let's try.
Hinanap niya talaga for your friend.
Ay, ang sweet. Hinanap pa talaga ni Jeremy yung parang
Kaya
hopya.
pala tinanong mo,
Okay, chendol with durian.
Go na sa inabi. I'll just eat this now.
wala, mas love ko ni Jeremy kaysa kay RC.
Ako ni Jeremy.
Hinanap talaga ni Jeremy eh. Pinicture mo?
Nakaka-happy. I'm not a durian fruit lover, pero pag yung parang flavor na lang siya, I actually enjoy it.
Ito ay mo video.
We're here at French food. We're having breakfast. Ayan, sila Jo, sila Jorel. This is going to be a very quick breakfast kasi we're about to leave na rin naman in a few minutes. Hours pala. Ang lakas ng boses ko. We got our coffee, so mine is flat white. I got a unicorn kasi I'm a skinny and pretty girl. For Joe and RC, they got a bear and an elephant. Who knows why? I just have a feeling. Talaga. Girl, magkano lang to sa, Cafe Breton? Ito. So this is my order. I got the homemade hazelnut crepe.
Well, okay na. Lagyan natin.
Ayan kay Jorel. God knows kung ano yung kay Jorel. Ano ba yan, Jorel? Egg. Pero ang mukhang crispy, no? Fun. Yung kay Jo, dito, honestly, medyo naiinggit ako. Ito, super basic. So yun, we'll try it. Sorry, puro mga braso na lang nakita nyo. Kamay, ganon.
Let's try this. Yung basic bitch.
It's a bit on the sweet side. Pero ang sarap ng crepe. Okay. Yummy. Inggit ako dun sa mushroom kasi I'm a mushroom girl. So, and how did I not see this?
Dad, ang sarap. Order pa tayo. Sabi niya naman ba? Ang sarap.
So, nainggit ako dun sa mushroom ni Joe. So, kainin ko siya.
Number.
Oh my gosh, ang sarap nitong mushroom.
Jorel, go.
I regret.
Get pa tayong isa.
I have
I want
regrets.
another cup. Masarap. Na-enjoy ko siya.
Gosh, ang sarap nito. Palit tayo. Day one of our cruise. So we're here at the cruise terminal. Tapos, nandito kami. May separate pila kami. So we're boarding Royal Caribbean. Charot. So ito yung parang pila. I'm not sure kung papapasukin na. Pero we bought the key passes kasi. So, may sarili kaming pila and we can come in early. Charel! So, we're about to board. Ito na yung ship namin. In fairness naman, immigration was a breeze kasi maikli naman yung pila. Actually, parang halos wala naman talagang pila. So, ayun. Kasi we're the earliest to board. So, siguro hindi naman siya. May factor siguro siya. So, hindi ko na namin alam kung nasaan yung friends namin. Nauna na sila, Elaine, ganyan. Sila Joe, nandun sila. Parang they were assisted kasi he was on a wheelchair. We're about to board. Wala na kaming passport. So the passport will be replaced with your SatSail pass. It will be like parang a credit card size na card. Pwede mo siyang suot as a lanyard. Pwede mo siyang dalhin anywhere. Tapos pag maglaland sa other countries, that's what you present instead of a passport. Oh my God! So ayan na, yung ship. Love it. Yeah. We're looking for the main dining room kasi we got a free lunch from Chops Grill. So, ayun, may profanity pa pong nangyari. Bleep na lang natin yon. So, this is... Ay, baka bawal video dito. Ay, wala naman sinabi. Ay, bawal. Video surveillance in use. Anyway, medyo naliligaw kami. Pero dito tong katuro. Saka sabi ni Jessica dito daw. And we're going to the main dining hall. So, we're finally here at the main dining room. So, everyone's here. Ayan. So, except sila Elaine. So, they're seated somewhere else. But here we are. So, we have an exclusive Chops Grill menu. And we're ordering. So, for me, I'll have the colossal shrimp cocktail, filet mignon, and siguro royal chocolate cake. Because I'm a chocolate cake girl.
Hello, correct tayo sa white.
This is the main dining room. Ayan. It's so cute, fancy, ganun. Thank you. We have bread. Is it bread? Ayan. Tapos may pa-lemonade, ganun. So, ina-explain sana parang $50 daw usually dito, no, per dish. Pero, ayun, kasama siya dun sa the key benefits. While waiting for our food, ayun, we have pretzel bread. This is our appetizer. So, my appetizer pala. Hindi pala kami pala-parehas ng in-order. So, mine is the shrimp cocktail appetizer.
Pour in the lemon.
Okay. So, may tatlo siyang shrimp.
A little lemon. Alam mo ba yun? Si A Little Lemon. A Little Lemon. My friends vlogging too high. I love it. I mean, the shrimps could be sweeter. Go RC.
Medyo nakaka-shock yung lamig niya. Pero masarap naman siya. I give it 3 crazy coins. So, nakikain na lang ako ng mushroom soup kay Jarel.
Parang pwede siya. Charot. Diba? Yung katas ng shrimp lang. Pero okay lang.
I think this is okay. I'm happy that I got the shrimp. Ganun.
Parang 4.5 pa. So,
Pero I give it 4 crazy. Ay, siguro mga 3 crazy coins.
Nanira ka pa, nangihi ka na nga yan.
Ikaw ba ilang crazy coins sa'yo yan?
Ako, yung truffle eh. 4.5.
Okay, amazing. So, our lunch is here. I ordered the filet mignon. And my fries is my asparagus. Let's try.
I guess everybody got the
Okay, girls, don't
filet
make your
mignon.
steak wait kasi baka ma-overcook.
9 lang.
Medium rare, girl.
Medium rare sila. Kami ni Joe medium. Pero medyo done siya, girl. Kainin mo na.
Talaga. Ay, gosh, oo nga. Medium well siya.
Okay, oo. I ordered medium. Pero let's
Ay, oo nga,
try.
sorry. Picture.
Ay, okay.
Okay, you got me?
Let's try.
Yes.
No, this is just a taste of chops menu, but this is not chops menu, okay?
So, ayan, sa middle, medyo mas rare siya. Lagyan natin ng Burmese. Thank you po.
Itong daan. But ulit.
Inside of
Juicy naman siya. As for the taste, parang saksa lang siya. Pero I don't get to eat this every day naman, so I'm happy. Siguro I give this 3.5 crazy coins. So, sa akin medium, pero yung gilid niya, nagkaroon na ng parang cooking something. Yung kay Jarel, it looks so perfect, nakakainggit. So, I'm having chocolate cake. It looks good. Yun sila, they're having cheesecake. And he has ice cream. Perfection.
With no resistance. Creamy.
It's not too sweet, pero medyo dry yung bread. Pero masarap naman siya.
Sige, tawagin natin yung gumawa ng dessert.
And this is just day 1 of our cruise. I have so much more to share with you guys about our cruise experience. I will post about everything soon, so please make sure you tune in, subscribe, like, share my video or whatever. This is such a fun experience and I would be happy to share it with everybody. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section. Perhaps in next videos will give you answers to those questions. See you again next time. Bye!